Spa! Gym! Enough! We'll decide in the heads or tails. Heads is gym, and tails is spa. Not fair, it'll always be heads. Wait a minute. It probably landed in tails. Nope, it's heads. Oh, fuck! Huh? Give me 10 cents. Fine. Stuart, how did you do that? We should stop sweating. Otherwise, pay up 10 cents. Sorry, swear. What are you, short on money? Nope, trying to make this house potty mouth free. I mean, that does sound like a good idea. Whatever. Anyways, was it heads? Yeah, heads. Fine, let's go to the gym. No? Oh, come on. Hello, welcome to Richbox Gym. Would you like to join our membership? We already bought a yearly membership a week ago. Alright, can you guys give me your membership cards? Oh heavens, it appears I've lost my card. Shit. Ding! There's another 10 cents, David. Pay up. Fine. Yep. Alright, have a nice training. Thank you. Alright, we are going to be doing every single zone, but not all, because our spa appointment is in like a couple of hours. And luckily there are less people today, so luckily no one will judge us. First up, let's go in the treadmills. What speed should we go? Depends how fast you want to go. Ah, cool. Beep. Holy shit. Thank God. Beep. Oh God. This is exhausting. How long are we going to be in the treadmills? Hey Tommy, how long are we going to be in the treadmills? Like 5 kilometers today. Beep. 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 A couple of minutes later. Alright, everyone. Everyone finished their goal? Yeah. Beep. Yeah, I guess so. Whatever. Anyways, the next one we should do is lift some weights. David, try at least a couple of heavier weights. Fucking asshole. Ding. Here you go, Stuart. Thanks. Yep. A little heavy. Yeah. You alright, David? What was that? Nothing. Just continue. Alright. Alright, let's switch. Oh boy, it's making me sweaty. How are you guys feeling? Shitty. No, I didn't mean to. Ding. Pay up, Tommy. Thanks, Tommy. Alright, let's do those stair climbers. Oh, what? We just came downstairs from our apartment. Why do we need to do steps again? I absolutely have no clue. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's start. Couple of minutes later. Look at that, we finished at the same time. How many floors did you guys do? I did like 50 floors. 48 floors. Oh. David, that wasn't even on. Oh my God. I would calculate you did around 14 floors. Even though we live in a 9-story apartment building, I'd say that is very impressive, David. I'm so proud of you, David. Thanks. Alright, we've got a couple of minutes left until we have to go to the spa. Does that mean we could finally go? Let's do some stretching exercise first. Then we could go. Fine. Not bad. Ay. I think I broke my back. Oh shit, I gotta fix. Oh, I've accidentally said a swear. Wait a minute, how did it not register? Oh, forget about the swear job. My back is fucking hurting. Thanks, Stuart. You're welcome. Holy shit, he's swole. Yeah. Goodbye. Huh? What? Oh. Boom. In the next episode of TNS, would you love it, or would you not love it when it's spring cleaning? Stay tuned to find out.